Hi there! Today I'll be showing you how to upload your PDF from iPhoto. On the PrestoPhoto homepage, there's a list of options in the main navigation menu. Move your cursor to the Photo Books option. When you hover your cursor over the photo books, a menu will drop down. Click Create a Photo Book and the option to upload a PDF will appear. Title your project at the bottom of the page, select the Apple option, and click Next. If you are not logged into PrestoPhoto or do not have an account with us, you will be redirected to a page where you can log in or create an account. You will be redirected to a page that allows you to upload a project to our site. Instructions will pop up reminding you the projects must be uploaded as a PDF. Click the box labeled Choose from Computer. Select the file you wish to upload from the box that appears on your screen and click Open to attach the file to the upload. Once the file is selected, scroll to the bottom of the page and hit Upload. The upload will display in percentages until complete. A mock-up of your cover and back cover will appear after generating the preview. To view the interior pages, click Layout Preview, which can be found in the upper right-hand corner next to Buy Now. Select the Buy Now button to proceed to your project's bookstore where you can select the product you want to purchase. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, chat with our live support or send an email over to support@prestophoto.com on our website, prestophoto.com. Have a great day!